What's the meaning of angel? Angel. 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 Angel.
The word angel refers to a spiritual being found in various religions. In Christianity, angels are believed to be messengers of God who act as intermediaries between heaven and earth. They are often depicted as winged beings with halos and are associated with goodness, purity, and protection. In popular culture, the term angel is also used to describe someone who is kind, generous, and helpful to others, often without expecting anything in return. Overall, angel represents a symbol of hope, love, and divine intervention.